Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudinku Foodies. Today we are going to make healthy and delicious almond cake. This cake is made with whole wheat flour, it's eggless and refined sugar free. I get so many requests for no oven baking recipes, so this one we are going to bake in a pan without oven. This method is very convenient and anyone can enjoy baking this regardless of their kitchen setup. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll add 1 1/4 cup of milk in a pan. Also add 1/3 cup chopped soft dates. Here I am using Medjool dates. Now on low to medium heat, stir and cook the dates for around 3 to 4 minutes till they turn soft and tender. Turn off the heat and let this mixture cool completely. Now transfer this mixture in a blender and blend it really well till it becomes smooth and creamy. Now keep this mixture aside and add half cup of almonds in a blender and grind it really well into a fine powder. The almond flour is ready. Keep it aside and in a medium-sized bowl, we'll add 3/4 cup whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, add in the almond flour and give it a good mix. Now we'll add in the milk and date mixture and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now give it a gentle mix till everything is nicely combined. Now transfer this batter in a parchment paper lined cake pan. To settle this mixture, tap the pan for few times. Smoothen out the top using a spatula and sprinkle some chopped or flaked almonds. And now let's bake it in a pan. So to preheat the pan, place a small stand, cover the pan and let it heat for around 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. Now place the cake pan, cover it and let it bake for around 55 to 60 minutes on low heat. The almond cake is ready. Let it cool completely. This almond cake is a very basic and simple tea cake. It's soft, moist and can be easily made in a pan. And if you're also a fan of easy and healthy desserts, this recipe is a must try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this no oven healthy almond cake recipe. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.